Today I am going to tell you about the best car that you can drive on Latvian roads in winter. It's this car, Audi A8. It has absolutely everything that you might need. Seats, the steering wheel, and the wheels. That's it. There are no unnecessary electronics in this car except the tape player, because all the electronics in the winter time will go bad anyway. No ABS on the brakes, because you don't need it. You are not going to be able to stop on a snowy road anyway. And see? Design wheels. It's so you look cool when you go to the dance, to the culture house. No airbag. When you crash, you die like a real man and go to the place that is full of food and fun forever. No, it's not Valhalla, it's Lido. But the most important thing to remember is that people who drive Audi A8 are dangerous, because they're not afraid to crash it. It's so cheap you can always buy another one.